Right, just very quick, because this is all quite repetitive, but I've done the next TIG pass on number 2. All the ports are tacked in. I've finished all the welding on this first one that I did, so I just need to clean this up a little bit, but we're underway now, as you can see, so should just got to plod along with this. I'm afraid it's a bit of a repetitive job. Right, I've finished the welding on 2 ports now, and I've just finished the TIG root passes on the other 2. I did those a little bit at a time without the brace on, so I think it's okay. So I'm just starting to grind down on the inside now. The difficult bit, actually, believe it or not, is right just here at the front, because the grinder doesn't quite get into it, so it's really awkward. Here, round these other sides, it's easier because I can get round easier. Anyway, so yeah, those 2 are done. Root passes are the tedious bit. That's all done now. So I should get at least one more done today, and then hopefully we're done with this. So I've ordered, end caps are coming. Hatch is being made by AJ Metals, who made the hull, so they're making the hatch. I've sent them the ring that they sent me originally, so I've sent it back again, which is a bit stupid really, but I was intending to make it myself, but in the end I thought I'll get them to do it, because they're going to get the machining done, so they're going to weld the dish on. I've had the dish ordered, and that's being sent directly to them. They're going to weld the dish in and then machine the other side of the hatch face and put the O-ring groove in, send it back to me. I've still got to figure out how I'm going to get this surface skimmed. My mate, who's got a Bridgeport, didn't think it would work, because he seems to think that with the rotary table it'll just move ever so slightly and not get a flat finish. So I'll take his word for it, because he's very skilled. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It's going to have to go off to UK, I think, to be machined, unless I can think of any amazing method of doing it, or make something myself. But it just needs like a giant surface grinder or something, but there isn't anything big enough here. Anyway, enough rambling. Carry on grinding this out. All right, come on then. You wait there. Go on, clear off, you lot. Go on. Ruby! 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 Here.